March 1st, 2021. Built me a paper tuning target. Got a whole lot of money invested in it. Boy, that's some pretty bad stuff there. Looking for that bud hole. Anyway, it's not going to tune for me. My bow's not going to tune until I get my part in. It's real close. It's thumping pretty hard. Started off way over to the left. And I shoot fletch tears for a reason. These tears on a bare shaft, you're going to have a hard time telling where the start and finish is. So if you use a fletch tear, it'll tell you where the front of the arrow hit and where the back of the arrow hit. And what you're trying to achieve is something, like that. Even that one's a little high. I was having some issues with it staying on the top side. I'm going to lube up my lower cam, lube up my top cam, put a little oil on them, and get my pro slide in because my Teflon slide's got my cables pulled way over out of whack. I'm kind of afraid it might throw a cable, so anyway, that's a pretty cheap bow tuning box. I got a hole over there. I take it down there in that hole and I lean it back a little bit. Shoot through it. What it does on the front, it's pretty much going to do on the back. You can kind of see where the point hit, where the vein went through. You can see the ones that are pretty close. But I couldn't get it where I wanted it, so we got to get to party.